you just need two things, and this is two wheels and an engine. This is basically what you need. All other things can be helpful, can be nice to have, can be really fancy, but times are that riders are wishing to go back. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Bike Discussion. This time we are gonna discuss a very interesting topic, and this is about the small CC bikes that are getting more and more attention these days. What is going on the motorcycle market? What is going on in the field of smaller CC motorcycles, smaller CC engines? Is it something that was expected? Is it something very strange, or it is just something that the market would like to have, or customers? Let's think about it a bit more into details. So those of you who are riding for some time or are older riders would for sure remember the 90s. In the 90s we had a lot of smaller capacity, smaller CC bikes. That time you can or you had the opportunity to buy almost any kind of a bike with smaller engines. I remember the Kawasaki ER500. It was a two-cylinder Kawasaki inline 2 engine, and it was very cheap that time. It was also not so sophisticated in terms of tech. I remember that it had a drum brake at the rear. There was a Yamaha SR400, and I think that not so long ago they stopped producing them. So a 400cc engine, a very simple one from Yamaha. And there were also other bikes. I remember in the 90s the ZZR 250. It was also a nice Kawasaki for a beginner, for a rider that wasn't a lot into speed and tech and so on, and many others. I also remember the enduro bikes from the 90s, like the KLE 500 that used the same engine from the previously mentioned ER 500. So a lot of bikes, really a lot of bikes. There were also some enduro bikes, single cylinder bikes, like the KL Air from Kawasaki 650, the DR 650, and these bikes were simple. These bikes were very popular that time, and now we are heading, I would say, in the same direction, just that we are really somewhere in between those 300cc and 700cc engines used on new bikes. What I am thinking about? I am thinking about the Royal Enfields, about the new Kawasaki's, about the new bikes from Chinese companies. Brands are from Europe, but these companies are now producing bikes in Asia. So Moto Morini, Benelli, and so on. So even Honda, if you think about the latest update, they're coming to Europe with the GB350. So this is a stylish, I would say, and simple naked bike with a 350cc engine, single cylinder, finally coming to Europe. So the question is, why is this happening? What is going on, guys? And to be honest, the answer is simple. I think that the main reason lies in the customers. The market, it's right now already old enough and already experienced enough that customers would like to have smaller cc bikes because they are, I would say, very interesting to own, to ride. They don't consume much. They just fit in the category of a bike that one can use every day without so much electronics, without any additional gadgets that can go wrong, that can break, and so on. So these bikes are simple. These bikes are crucial in a way that you have two wheels, you have a chain, you have a fuel tank, a tacho, headlight, rear light, brake, and this is basically it. And in my thinking right now, I think that we are going back to the roots. So we had a lot of improvement in terms of tech, in terms of design, in terms of technology overall, in terms of safety features, in terms of some helpful gadgets, you know, color displays, ABS cornering, sensors, leaning sensors. Then you have also some other tech that it is sometimes, I would say, really helpful, like blind spot sensors and so on. Even the adaptive cruise control on some motorcycles. But all of this is far away from the proper motorcycling, from the proper feel of a motorcycle, from the proper riding experience. So if you want to go for a ride, and if you are a motorcycle lover, you just need two things, and this is two wheels and an engine. This is basically what you need. All other things can be helpful, can be nice to have, can be really fancy, but times are that riders are wishing to go back, to have only simple technology, to have only simple bikes. And I think that with these simple small cc bikes that are gaining popularity right now, everything is going back. Everything is going back to the roots. And this is something that I really like. Overall, I think that the Royal Enfields are now gaining a lot of popularity, and they are selling very well. So in a way they are dominating the market right now. But Honda, it's coming with the GB350 in Europe right now. So there are gonna be some changes, I think, also with this model from Honda in this field of motorcycles. So lower, I mean smaller capacity cc motorcycles, but also with the Kawasaki, with the W230 and Meguro, they will do some changes, in my opinion, in terms of selling, in terms of let's say possibilities for all those customers that would like to have a simple and small cc motorcycle for using it daily. What can I say more, guys? I like these bikes. I like simple bikes. I like naked bikes. I like classic bikes. I like all bikes, you know me. And I am happy that something is going on, and that we are going at least in this small cc capacity segment back to the roots. So I will be very happy if there are gonna be in the future a lot more of these bikes on the market, and I am happy that I will probably have the opportunity to try some of these. So if you would ask me what will be in the future in this regard, I see that there will be more models coming out, this kind of models, and there will be more and more customers picking them, because the key thing it's still in the riding and in the rider's experience, and this will remain having two wheels and having a simple engine. What do you think, guys? What do you think it's gonna be next in this regard? So what do you really think about these simple small cc engines? Do you think that they will gain more and more popularity, or this is just something that it's gonna go, let's say, with the wind, and that in 2025 or 2026 it will be gone? So will these smaller cc bikes survive? This is the main question. What do you think, guys? I really would like to know from you, from your side. Please comment, write down your thoughts, and this is all, guys. Thanks for watching. Till the next one.